How to trim video on Instagram Reels. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to trim video on Instagram Reels. So first is you have to make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and just type in Instagram there. Now here, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. And if it's updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to our homepage and open our Instagram. Now here on our Instagram, you have to create, let's say, a reel. So on the upper right, you will see two icons there, the messenger icon and then the plus sign here. You click on the plus sign and just set it up on reel. Now, here, let's say, let's record some video or some reel here. Let's record. Now, after recording that, you tap in next. Now, after tapping it, you could actually edit the clips here. And then if you click on that, you will see these two edge white lines here. You'll see this edge on the left side and the right side. So all you have to do is to move that to cut or to trim where you want. And then basically that is how you trim video on Instagram Reels. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful. And if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section. And have a blessed day.